All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. All right, we're gonna drive down there, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah, don't push that button. That's how you talk to the other pilots. You push that button, but you don't need to push that one, okay?
Want to talk to same pilots?
Yeah, if you want to talk to the other pilots so you can tell them what you're doing, you know?
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like gas is what it smells like.
Yeah, I love gas.
You love gas. Turn it that way, and then let's try this way, and then we'll try back, and let's let it fall all the way. Let go. Let go. There we go, and it should fall forward. Good job. Rudder pedals are good.
Dad, this is cool.
Yep. Here we go. Are you ready? I'm going to tell them where we're going.
Dad,
Yep.
clammy means you're sweaty.
What means you're sweaty?
I'm clammy.
Clammy. Yeah, you're right. Clammy is like a cold sweat.
Yeah.
We're going to cruise down here pretty quick, Carson Kate. Look at this. We're going to high-speed taxi.
Okay. What does that mean?
High-speed taxi means we're going to cruise real fast.
I can see the city.
Yeah.
Left, crosswind, runway 5, Monroe.
You good? Oh yeah, I need that. Sorry. Thanks.
I was just looking at
Yeah.
it.
Gotta go uphill.
Dad, I can reach the...
Yeah, I know. This is cool. You can help me fly, okay? Even though you can't see anything over the dash. But that's good. You can practice your instrument flying. We'll practice your instrument scan, okay?
Dad, I can still see through here.
That's right, you can.
I can scooch back. Daddy,
Yep.
there's a tiny table right in
I know.
here.
That's super cool. It's a tiny little table if you need, like, it's called an armrest.
Yeah. If your arm hurts, you get to put right here. Whoa, we're in the air.
We're in the air, Carson Kate.
We have your sight.
Okay. Stop, pedals. Stop. I'm saying stop, pedals. Stop. Because you don't want that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for being my co-pilot today. This is super fun.
If we're up high.
Yeah, we're up high, aren't we? Isn't that cool? Look, you see like houses and stuff?
What?
Yeah, you can sit up higher and look out the window.
I can see like the grass field.
Yeah, that's right.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I can see
5. 5, Monroe.
houses and cities. One for
I see you after.
the
Stop following me.
for the leg. One for the leg. One is down the way.
Oh yeah, you want to fly it a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, stop it, pedals. Stop. Drag it. Stop.
All right. You want to turn a little bit? You're going to turn left, so you're going to turn this way.
Turn in left downwind.
There we go. Whoa, cool. Do you see us turning? You did that. Here you go, turn that way again. Yep, turn it when you want to turn. Yep, you bank it, and I'll do the pedals. So we can do a nice coordinated turn. Now go straight. Straight.
I'm going straight.
That's right. Good job. Now we're going straight. You want to go up?
No. Dad,
Yeah, what's up?
did we fly over Reagan's school?
No, we didn't fly over her school because she had lunch earlier, so we couldn't fly over there. She wasn't going to be able to see us.
So we didn't fly over her school?
There we go.
Yes, Master.
Yes, master.
Yes, Master.
Yes, master.
Yes, Master. Yes, Master. Yes, Master.
Yes, master.
Yes, Master. Yes, Master. Yes, Master. Master.
Monroe traffic, 377 Mike short final, runway 5, Monroe. We're about to land, okay? Yeah, cool, huh?